Hi everyone, happy Sunday to all of you. Welcome to our Happie's installation series. And today is actually a Sunday. So for those of you who actually been asking us that whether do we actually do installations on the weekends, the answer will be yes. So we will be shooting this installation series, okay, for all of you here, okay, to let all of you see. So you can actually have a look on how are we going to do the installation before making your decision. So come, follow me. Hello. Okay, hi Ellen. Okay, so let's take a look at your kitchen. Okay, so your kitchen is over here.
Yeah, it's a very tiny kitchen to work with.
So where do you intend to put the Joy Water Purifier?
So preferably around this area.
If you do not want to do any drilling, we will actually tap from your washing machine over there. Okay, so from the washing machine, we will add a splitter and then we will actually run the tubing across to here.
Okay.
Yeah, so which one would you prefer?
Okay, I prefer no drilling.
No drilling.
It's actually currently a rented place.
Can. So no drilling, we will then proceed with option 2, okay, which is from the washing machine. Okay, so in future, after doing the trunking and casing, okay, even next time if you were to shift to your new place, when we come down and dismantle, everything will be back to its original state.
Very perfect.
Okay? Okay, so Ellen, maybe you can make a guess. How long do you think that this installation will take?
Like hour to 2.
An hour or 2?
Yeah.
Okay, why not? We will start first and then you shall see it later. Okay, so time check. Okay, so it's less than about 20 minutes only and we got the installations all done up. Okay, so come, let's go and call the owner to come and have a look. Okay. Hi Ellen. Yeah.
Wow, it's done already?
Yes, very fast.
Impressive. Yeah, it's
Correct.
less than 30 minutes.
Okay, so not only that, but can you see? Guess where are the tubings?
I mean, I only can see it. Like, wow, it's like so concealed.
Correct.
The
So in
casing
fact,
also
very
nice,
neat and tidy. Correct. So in fact, from the angle, right, you cannot even see because
can't really
everything is hidden. Okay, we actually hid the tubings very neatly. Okay, and we connect it all the way across. Okay, and we actually go behind the washing machine to link it to your washing machine water point.
Yeah.
We are actually done.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions for us?
No, I'm very impressed. Like,
Thank you
really.
so much. Okay, so since you know we are all done, okay, maybe I can just ask you 3 simple reasons why did you choose Happie Water Purifier among the rest in the market?
Okay, firstly, I think because I've been to the show, it's very impressive. And basically, they have this anti-gouting technology as well. Alright, and I heard that like it's white and it will never like turn yellow.
Yes, you are right.
It's actually anti-scratchable.
Correct, because it's coated lah.
Yeah, so
Correct.
it looks very clean and it matches my kitchen.
Yep.
Okay. Secondly, because of the patent technology, so I know that like the water I drink every day is clean. It actually auto like filter on its own, something like that.
Correct.
Alright, and last but not least, it's because of convenience. So I can actually say bye-bye to this taking a lot of my time, big kettle.
So I think this is in fact one of the biggest reason, okay, why a lot of people have been changing over to our water purifier because it brings convenience.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, so I mean, and also the 3 reasons that you were mentioning, I think is also one of the key factors that most of the consumers are actually choosing us as well. So thank you once again, Ellen, for trusting Happie. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching our installation series. Okay, so we will see you again next time. Bye.